Welcome to an overview of behavior-driven development with the Gherkin Executor in about 4 minutes. First, what is behavior-driven development? The business developers and testers, if you have them, collaborate to create a shared understanding. Let's give an example. We have a weather application and we need to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. So we go up to a whiteboard and we start writing down some numbers. Fahrenheit 32 is Celsius 0. 212 should become 100, and someone always puts in minus 40 should become minus 40. Now we're going to take what's on that whiteboard and put it into a Gherkin document. You'll notice we have our F and C, and we can also add some notes as to why we pick those particular numbers. We'll add in a name of a scenario, temperature conversion, and give this table and this calculation a name, convert F to C. Now what you see after the hashtag is what helps Gherkin Executor translate this into the implementation language. It's a list of objects and the data type is F and C. We create a statement, data statement for F and C that describes what each of those fields are, a default value, and what the data type is, F and C being integers and notes being string. That's our Gherkin file. Now the developers push the translate button and we can create a glue code, calculation convert F to C, and you'll see we have a list of F and C values that are passed, and the attributes are in string format. We'll go around that list, and for each value in the list, we can convert it to the internal format, what's F and C internal, where the attributes are the data type we provided. Now that is what Gherkin Executor creates for you. It's up to the developer now to create the method that actually does the calculation and make sure that the results of that method match what's expected. And obviously we can have as many inputs and as many outputs as we would like, based on whatever business rule you have. Now one just additional little feature is that if we already have some sets of inputs and outputs to a business rule in a spreadsheet, we convert that to a commonly delimited file and we simply include it after the calculation. And the file might look like something like this, the headers and a set of values. So to summarize, the business developers and testers collaborate on a shared understanding. They create a feature file that represents that understanding. The developers translate the feature file into the implementation language, implement the behavior, and from the tester perspective, we add the checks for other behavior. The result? More effective development. Thank you.